IzAlyssa. I woke within the stone. The halls were cold and grey, a trail of liquid memories to lead my mind astray. I found a letter signed by me, a ghost within the ink, to push me toward the inner sanctum, standing on the brink. I don't recall the desert sun nor what the orb had lent, but shadows crawl along the walls on holy vengeance bent. I hear the grinding of the teeth, the soul that's truly spent. I'm walking through the nightmare now. This is the dark descent. This is dark. This is the dark descent through the laboratory and the refectory I tread, where every door I open holds the spirits of the dead. The Baron promised safety from the shadows' crimson ward, but Vitae was the currency and fear was his reward. We drained the life from innocent men, the screams were violent. I traded my humanity for time that was misspent. The guilt was like a poison cup, I took it by consent, to hide away the monster's face. This is the dark descent. The dark descent. Gatherers are patrolling where the darkness meets the floor. A jaw hung slack, a body stitched, a horror at the door. But I am worse than any beast that wanders in the gloom, the architect of agony, the builder of this tomb. The amnesia was a coward's veil, a temporary tent, to shield me from the ritual and where the victims went. I'm descending to the deepest pit, no longer innocent, to face the man who made the pact. This is the dark descent. The dark descent. The pillars hung with ancient light, the portal starts to tear. Alexander waits for godhood while I'm gasping for the air. He calls me friend and asks for help, but I have seen the cost. I tip the stones and break the seal, the way to home is lost. The shadow claims the Baron's life, a scream of deep descent, as Brennenburg begins to fall, its wall finally rent. I leave the ruins of my sins, a ghost who must repent, and walk away from all that was the dark descent.